Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany. I hope you are having a wonderful day today. Today I wanted to show you how I created this look for Valentine's Day. This is very glam, very glittery, very romantic. If you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Au Naturel palette. I picked this one up at Walmart, I believe, for like $5 or $6. I'm going to go ahead and start with my transition shade, and I'm picking up this shade right here. I have already done my face, my foundation, and my eyebrows. So if you guys want to know what I used for that, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. I thought I would do a look for you guys for Valentine's Day. I've been wanting to get a look up, especially wanted to get it up this weekend since I do have to go back to work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. I work full time, so I try to get my videos done during the weekend and then edit and everything like that during the weekday and when I get home, when I have free time. When I do my transition color, I always start right like above the crease. I feel like if I don't start a little above the crease and then work down into the crease, that I will lose. I feel like I lose the color, my eyeshadow color, once the whole look is done, because I do have hooded eyes. So if you do have hooded eyes, I would suggest that you start your color higher and you go a little bit higher with it, because you will lose that color. For the lids, I'm going to go in with this color here. This little pink color. I am going to wet my brush first though with some NYX setting spray, because I do want to intensify the shimmeriness in that color. Okay, I'm also going to take some on my bottom lid here. I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to wet this as well. I'm going to put this across the whole bottom lid. Okay, so for the crease, I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to be picking up this darker red color here. Right here. You know what? I'm going to go back to my blending brush for this, because it takes forever to do anything with that tiny brush. Okay, so I put some of that color in the crease there, but I'm going to go back to the small brush just to do the inner V. Just to get more of a detailed, I need a more of a detailed brush for that. And I want to bring that color down to the bottom lid as well. And then I flick that up. Go back on this side. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color. This is the lightest color, so a little vanilla shade. Whoa, I did not expect that to be so pigmented. Okay, so for the inner highlight, so this is the ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian. So I just take my pinky finger and go in here. It just really, I feel like when you put an inner highlighter in on your eyes, it really opens up your eyes and it draws people's attention to your eyes. I'm also going to put some here on my brow bone. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and my mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I did my eyeliner and my mascara. I totally forgot I was going to put glitter on my eyelids before. You're supposed to do that before you put your eyeliner on. But I guess I got a little bit too excited. But guess what? I'm still going to put glitter on my eyelids. I don't care. I don't. Alright, so I just bought this. It's a NYX glitter primer. I bought this from Target. I've never used this before, but I've seen other people use it, so I'm going to try it out. So I'm just going to put some on my hand. And I'm going to take my little finger here and put a little tiny bit. I just want to put a little bit of glitter in the middle here. I don't want to go all crazy with it. Okay, and I'm going to be using the smallest eyeshadow brush that I own. So I already went ahead and put some NYX spray on it to wet it. Well, it's already dry, so I have to put some more. Okay, and I'm going to be going in with the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the color Rose. I put some in the lid here. Go in very lightly with the eyeshadow brush and tap any excess that you have off. When you do this, make sure you put your glitter on before you put your eyeliner on. Really pretty. So I'm gonna go in a little bit more primer. A little bit of primer of this primer goes a really long way. I put way too much on my hand right now. And put some here. Wow, that glitter just elevates the whole look. And we didn't mess the look up. So I'm gonna go in with my Butter Bronzer, Physicians Formula. This shade is in the light bronzer. I'm gonna take out my e.l.f. Kabuki brush. I'm going to contour up a little bit. This is, I'm also going to be using this from Physicians Formula. It's the Bronze Booster. Running out. I'm going to take my e.l.f. contour brush. Okay, for blush, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution. It's the Vivid Shimmer Brick and Pink Kiss. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. angled brush. I'm not going to add too much blush. I never really do add too much blush because my skin, I already have a lot of pink in my skin, so I don't want to accentuate that too much. For highlighter, I'm going to be using ColourPop Flexitarian again, and this other one that I have, it's called Spoon. So for this, I usually take my damp beauty blender. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Flexitarian and a little bit of Spoon as well. I like to mix a little bit of Spoon in there because it is a little bit more glittery. And I really like a little bit of glitter in my highlight. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using ColourPop Lippy Stick in the color Dopey. And when I really prefer to use lippy sticks over the regular lipsticks they have, or the matte liquid lipsticks they have. I feel like this is more comfortable to wear than the liquid lipsticks. Also, I really feel like it's better to buy the lippy sticks first to try out the color than to buy a whole combo set, or like buy a liner and then buy its matching color, because at least if you buy this, it's cheaper than buying the actual lipstick, and you can try it out and see if you like it first. I'm just going to take some and line my lower lip. Sometimes I like to just line the lower lip. I like to make my lower lip look a bit bigger, a little bit more juicy. Okay, and so for the rest of my lip, I'm going to take the same color. Kind of fill it in. Just very lightly. For this look, I really didn't want to go with a color that was too dark. I kind of just want to make it look like my lips are naturally stained, so that the focus is more on the eye look and not my lips. So I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Slicks lip gloss. This is just the, well, it's supposed to be the clear one, but when you put it on your lipstick, the color transfers. So okay, to set it all off, I'm going to be using the NYX setting spray in matte. Okay, cat ears off. This is the look. Okay, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe so you guys don't miss my next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.